Okay, okay. So, see, in Scilab, basic problem is there. We will not get all the toolboxes. Okay, it is developed by IIT Bombay and it is a open source, but all the toolboxes are not there. Okay, so some limitations are there. Okay, so that's why MATLAB is there. We are having a license copy in our college also. Okay, it is a very costly software, but it is having all the toolboxes and all. Okay, and you can get the crack version also. Officially, I cannot suggest, but you can get the crack version also. And how to install that crack version, that I will tell you if you are having. Okay, so it is also quite uh, good software actually. Means having for the study purpose actually, for the simulation purpose, it is a very good software. Okay, कॉस्टली भी बहुत है, 12-13 लाख का है इसका लाइसेंस कॉपी वगैरह मिलता है. If you are going for all the toolboxes, at least for the 10 user, then also it will go to the 14-15 लाख तक जाएगा इसका प्रोडक्शन. Okay,
क्या क्रैक कर सकते हैं ना उसको?
but it's a compulsory. Yeah, you can use online version also. Sorry, क्या कहा आपने?
क्रैक कर सकते हैं ना उसको?
क्रैक अपन नहीं करते एक्चुअली. क्रैक वर्जन आपको ऑनलाइन भी मिल जाता है, गूगल पे भी आप डालोगे क्रैक वर्जन. ओके, सिर्फ दिक्कत ये है क्रैक वर्जन ऑफ मैटलैब. ओके, सो इसमें दिक्कत ये आता है, अगर आप ये डालोगे तो आपको सॉफ्टवेयर मिल जाएगा. ये देखो, ये 20 लेटेस्ट वाला एकदम बिल्कुल. ओके, इवन यू कैन डाउनलोड इट. ओके, बट डाउनलोड करने में इसका जो ये है, अगर आपके पास वाईफाई है तो सही है, अदरवाइज़ ये 16 या 18 GB का सॉफ्टवेयर होता है. GB, हाँ, नॉट MB. सो इसे डाउनलोड करना मतलब 1-2 दिन का टास्क है. ओके, सो बेटर अगर आप कॉलेज में हो तो आप जाके काम पर जो बैठते हैं लैब असिस्टेंट, उनसे आप मांग सकते हो. ओके, और वो लेने के बाद आप यूट्यूब पे ऐसा कोई वीडियो भी रेफ़र कर सकते हो. आई थिंक 2015 है उनके पास. ओके, ये लेटेस्ट है 2019, 2021. ओके, सो आपको वही क्रैक वर्जन डाउनलोड करना है या उनसे लेना है, जो ज़्यादा कुछ डिफरेंस नहीं, ज़्यादा कुछ डिफरेंस नहीं, आप कोई भी वर्जन यूज़ करो. ओके, उससे कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. जस्ट आपको एक प्रिकॉशन लेना है. जैसे आपने सॉफ्टवेयर डाउनलोड किया, उसके बाद आपको एक्टिवेशन की करके आता है. सो एक्टिवेशन के लिए आपको स्टैंड अलोन फाइल अपलोड करना होता है. सो वो अपलोड करने के बाद स्टैंड एक्टिवेशन होगा, बट आपका मैटलैब रन नहीं होगा. सो आपको लगेगा कि मेरा मैटलैब चल नहीं रहा है, मतलब क्रैक वर्जन काम नहीं कर रहा है. ऐसा नहीं है. आपको क्या करना है, जो आपका क्रैक वर्जन है जो आपने पेन ड्राइव में लिया है. ओके,
So, sir, is it necessary to download MATLAB for this practical or lab?
Also, can you show this
you
codes?
can use ऑनलाइन वर्जन आल्सो. ओके, नॉमिनल रजिस्ट्रेशन पूछेगा आपको. ओके, सो ऑनलाइन मैटलैब आल्सो यू कैन यूज like this. MATLAB online, MATLAB CV. Okay, but here also some limitations are there. They will not give you access to the all the toolboxes. So अगर क्रैक वर्जन है तो बेटर है. अगर आप कभी कॉलेज जाते हो तो क्रैक वर्जन लो, और अपने, क्योंकि ये आपको स्टडी पर्पस बाद में भी इन फ्यूचर भी आपके लिए बेनिफिशियल हो जाता है. ME वगैरह करते हो या कहीं पे भी जाते हो तो सिमुलेशन मैटलैब में इजी रहता है. सो मैटलैब अगर है, क्योंकि यूनिवर्सिटी रिकमेंडेड यही है, हर कॉलेज को कंपलसरी इसका लाइसेंस कॉपी लेना ही पड़ता है. ओके, सो कॉलेज
Hello,
में.
sir.
हाँ,
Sir, can you show this codes or labs on Scilab or Python? Because it's forced, so we don't have to crack them. And even it has open community, so like whatever we can ask there, whatever doubts if we face any issues.
okay, we can go on that also. Okay, but for your lab I need to show it on MATLAB. Okay, जो लैब मैनुअल रहता है ना, फॉर इंफॉर्मेशन फॉर स्टडी पर्पज आई कैन गो टू द पाइथन और आई कैन यूज साइलैब, नो इशू. फॉर योर लैब जो आप लोग मैनुअल वगैरह लिखोगे इसका, वो अपने को मैटलैब में चाहिए। ओके, सॉफ्टवेयर आर देयर, वी कैन डू ऑन दैट, नो इशू। आपका लैब मैनुअल जो अगर क्यूरी अगर कोई आपको वाइवा वगैरह में पूछेगा तो इस पे जाएगा, वो मैटलैब पे जाएगा। ओके, नो इशू,
Okay,
नो
so
इशू। या दैट्स
so
व्हाई
sir,
आई
if you
एम।
have correct files, so you can upload on Drive and share with us. So like it would be more easier for us.
I can show you. That is a, I think it is a
Or
16
even if
or
you have
18
links,
GB. So
sir,
it's,
even if you have links, so you can share with us directly, so we can
yeah,
download from
yeah.
that
You
specific.
you are not understanding my problem. It is a 18 GB. Okay, so ड्राइव पे जाएगा 18 GB, आई डोंट नो। ओके, और जाएगा
Sir,
भी
we
तो
सर
can
पेन
get
कॉलेज के
ड्राइव।
आईडी पे अनलिमिटेड
GitHub
स्टोरेज है।
links.
नहीं, आप लोगों ने जो एग्ज़ाम वगैरह दिए ना, हमारे ड्राइव फुल हो गए हैं ऑलमोस्ट, बहुत सारा डाटा आके। सो ये पॉसिबल तो शायद ही होगा।
So अगर आपके पास वो लिंक है
आप
ना जहाँ से
पे,
आपने डाउनलोड किया था, वो
मेरे
दोगे
पास
दोगे
पेन
तो
ड्राइव
भी
में है,
चलेगा।
आप लोग उसे कॉपी कर सकते हो मेरे पास भी आके। कॉलेज में अगर कभी आते हो तो कोई कॉपी कर सकते हो, क्योंकि ये अपलोड करना ड्राइव पे मुझे नहीं लगता है पॉसिबल होगा। ओके, 18 GB का सॉफ्टवेयर, सो और वो डाउनलोड करने भी आप लोग घर बैठोगे तो वो 1-2 दिन तो आपको खाएगा ही खाएगा। ओके, मैं एक काम करता हूँ, एक बार एचओडी मैम से कंफर्म करता हूँ, अगर मैं सारे एक्सपेरिमेंट पाइथन पे या साइलैब पे ले सकता हूँ, सो मैं वो प्रेफर करूँगा, ठीक है। बट आपको ये जो है मैटलैब, ये बाकी सब्जेक्ट के लिए कंट्रोल सिस्टम वगैरह भी है ना अभी आप लोगों के सिलेबस में?
ना सर वो पहले था।
उसमें सिमुलेशन दिया था?
हाँ ये सर उसमें साइलैब पे ही किया था।
साइलैब पे किया था? ओके,
या सर।
ओके, सो नो इशू, वी कैन गो विद द साइलैब। देखना पड़ेगा उसमें कन्वोल्यूशन वगैरह सारे टूल बॉक्सेस है क्या नहीं, आई डोंट नो, नीड टू सर्च। आई मीन साइलैब आल्सो विथ मी, नो इशू। Some minor changes are there in that. Some syntax different, बिकॉज ये परसेंटेज साइन जो है कमेंट के लिए इसमें यूज़ होता है, इसमें ये डबल कोलन यूज़ होता है कमेंट के लिए, करेक्ट है?
यस
डबल
सर।
स्लैश। और भी कुछ फंक्शन अभी डीएफटी डिक्लेयर करने के लिए, वी विल सी एनी डिफरेंस इज देयर। साइलैब पे मुझे भी पहले परफॉर्म करके देखना पड़ेगा. मैटलैब ऑलरेडी आई एम क्वाइट फैमिलियर. यहाँ पे स्टेम की जगह आई थिंक प्लॉट कमांड होगा. बट कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर है तो प्लॉट देगा या नहीं, आई डोंट नो. We will try it. We will try it. Otherwise, we are having on MATLAB also. No issue. We will go with the Scilab. Just need confirm it by HOD me. I think stain will not work in this. We will make it plot. Hmm. Some minor changes are there in Scilab and MATLAB. Okay, so some errors are there. I think I need to rectify it. Okay, I will just give you for this lab only. I will just give you the introduction of MATLAB. Okay, and in from the next lab, I will take it on Scilab. No issue. Scilab or
Okay, sir.
Python. Python also you people are familiar, no?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So yeah. Okay, so just for this lab, I will give the introduction of MATLAB, and then we will go for the Scilab or Python. Okay, no issue. Okay. So see here for MATLAB. So this is a command window. Okay. So whatever errors are there, that can be displayed over here, or some random commands you can run over here. So this is a command window. This is the editor or M file, new file. Here from here also you can select this one, new file. Okay, like this, new file. So here you can write the program and you can save it, and then you can run it from here. Okay. So just like I have written a program over here. Okay. Then this is a current folder, current directory, you can see. Okay, so when you are running the program, your program should be in that directory. Otherwise you need to change the path. It will ask to change the folder or path, so you need to change the path. And this is a workspace, means whatever variables you are using, that variables will be here in this workspace. Okay. So here in command window you can write some basic commands. Okay, like this, clear all. It will clear all the variables. Okay, so workspace is right now it is empty, no variable is there in this. Close all. Right now see one figure is open, this one. So as you run this close all, it will close all the figures also. Now you can see in MATLAB no figure is there. Previously one figure was open. Okay, so these are the basic commands. Here you can write date something. Date will be displayed over here. Okay, current date will be displayed. Okay, if you are giving comma, that means you are restricting output to display on the same command window. Okay, I'm writing date and after that I'm giving comma. Okay, that means it will be executed, answer will be there in a workspace, but output will not display on the command window. It will restrict to display the output on command window. Okay, so date, it is executed, answer is already there, but it is not display on this command window. Okay, so these are some basic commands. You can, here you can write a is equals to 5. Okay, so it will take a is equals to 5, then you can assign another variable b is equals to something 4. Okay, it will take b is equals to 4, then you can take one more variable, that is c is equals to, and you can write a plus b. Okay, so you, it will do this a plus b and your answer will be displayed. Okay, you can use up arrow key to get the previous command, like this, c a plus b. Now if I don't require that output on a command window, so I will put the semicolon. If semicolon is there, so that command will be executed, a result will be stored in a workspace, c is equals to 9, but it will not display on a command window. Okay, so I will directly go to the program. So here one more thing is there which I want to mention. uh, if you want, if you don't know any command, so here you can type help and that command, about that command. Okay, help dft. So as you enter, so uh, it will give you the entire help about here help is there. Okay, so here you can click it, or here also you can type help, that command, particular command. Okay, and here this is a one alternate way, you can click on help. Okay, and you can search all the syntax and all the commands in this help. As you click on that, okay, so this is a So here all the things you can search how to install release notes, other resources. So all the things are there. You can search it over here. Okay, and here, okay. So DFT, discrete Fourier transform. So you can click on that. So here you will get the formula of DFT. Okay, all this is a Tudor factor. Okay, so all these thing there. Okay, so these are the plots. Okay, and what are the formula, or what will be the syntax of that, that also here you will get. Real, imaginary, how you can write this, all these things. Okay, so all detailing about the DFT you will get over. Okay, so like this you can search it out. Okay, otherwise you can go to the start, and from start also you can take the help, or you can click on this question mark and then you can type your keyword. Okay, any keyword you can type. For example, random variable. Okay, so here, so you will get the all about the random variable. Okay, so functions, what are the functions are there, what are the random variables, all these details, anything. If you have doubt on any syntax or any formula, you can search over here. And basic tutorials are also there, how to use MATLAB and all that also you can see here. Installation guide and all this thing is there. Okay, okay, this is directly executing the program. Okay, this program is there, that's why. Okay, so we will go to the program. Okay, see here, CLC, it will clear the screen, this command window, this screen it will clear. Okay, if anything is there on the screen, it will clear that. Like this command window is clear. Okay, and this close all, it will close all the figures, clear all, it will clear all the variables over here. In this, what are the variables are there, that all the variables it will clear. Then the input sequence we are getting, x of n, जैसे क्वेश्चन में दिया रहता है कि x of n कुछ सीक्वेंस दिया है. Okay, so that input sequence, if you run this program, so you will get this message, enter the input sequence. Okay, enter the input sequence. As you run this program, particular sequence also means particular thing you can select and you can run that, only that portion also. Evaluate selection like this, so you will get like this message, enter the sequence. Okay, that means here you just need to enter the sequence. Okay, I have run particular selection, so instead of that you can run the entire program also. Okay, so same message will be display, and as you write the sequence, oh sorry, sequence is not there, that's why it is taking it multiple time. So like this sequence here you need to enter the sequence in a square bracket like this 1 2 3 4 5. So like this one sequence is there and you want to find out the DFT of this sequence. Okay, so for that, see, we have taken the sequence over here. Here just we are allowing user to enter the sequence. Okay, then ln variable we are using length. We are finding out the length of the sequence. कितने उसमें numbers हैं, कितने sequence हैं, उसका length. Okay, so जो भी length मिलेगा, that matrix also we are creating for the DFT, and for IDFT also we are creating one more array, you can say, and here also we are creating one array. Okay, of the same size, of the same length. Okay, so but the element right now elements are there, zero elements are there. x के जो वेरिएबल है, अगर यहीं तक आप उसे सीक्वेंस को रन करोगे तो x में x के जो वेरिएबल है वो जीरो है, जीरो है, बट लेंथ उसकी क्या रहेगी, सेम लेंथ रहेगी. ओके, जो रिक्वायर्ड है अपने को. ओके, और आई एक्स के ये आई डी एफ टी के लिए है, इसमें भी एलिमेंट्स जीरो रहेंगे फिलहाल, बट लेंथ क्या रहेगी, लेंथ यही रहेगी सेम जो इनपुट सीक्वेंस में आपने लेंथ दिया है. ओके, नाउ टू फाइंड आउट द DFT. Okay, k and n variables are there. If you remember the formula of that DFT. Okay, so k and n. Okay, so both are having capital N minus 1 point DFT है, जैसे 4 point DFT. So length जो है, length ln minus 1. So here length is 5 sequence, 5 you are entering. So length will be this k size will be 4. Okay, and this is also 4. ln minus 1. Okay, now this is the formula to find out the DFT. Okay, this is the MATLAB formula. You can enter the MATLAB key, in that help also you can find out that formula. Okay, then this output xk we are displaying over here. If you require output on command window, you can remove the semicolon. Then we are plotting the sequence. Okay, in a plotting what we are doing, t versus xn we are plotting. Okay, and in plotting 2 row 2 column first position we are taking, that's why it is a 2 2 2. You can give the space also in between that, no issue. Okay, so or you can write like this also 2 2 1, that indicates 2 row 2 column and first position. Okay, like this. Here you can make the 4 parts. So this is a 2 row 2 column and first window, first part is nothing but the your this one. So this will be, and for y-axis you are having amplitude, x-axis we are having time index, means this is a label, and it will be display, and title is a input sequence. As you run this entire thing, okay, this particular selection. Okay, so only this portion is there. Okay, only this portion will be plotted. I'm not running the entire portion because then only all the 4 windows will be plotted over there. Okay, so see here, if you run the entire program and if you enter the sequence, so same thing is there. Let me explain the entire program, then I will show you the output. Okay, so till here we have calculated the DFT. Okay, input sequence we have plotted over here. This is the input sequence. Then magnitude of xk we are taking, xk is a DFT we already calculated, that also we are plotting over here. Same thing is there, same method is there, but now we are taking the second position. Okay, to plot the same method is there, and of that DFT we are plotting the phase angle plot also, but for that we are taking third position. Okay, and in the same manner we are calculating the IDFT. For IDFT, this is the formula, ixk variable we are using for IDFT, and this is to display the output of IDFT. Output you can display on command window also. Okay, and then we are plotting that IDFT also, whatever sequence we are getting IDFT, that also we are plotting at 4th position, that will be there. Okay, so now this sequence, so you can enter the sequence, that is 1 2 3 and 4. One more if you want, you can take 4 5. Okay, so this is your sequence. Okay, you can run this. See, this is your input sequence, amplitude versus time. This is your time index. This is your input sequence. जीरो पोजीशन पे 1 है, 1 पोजीशन पे 2 है, 2 पोजीशन पे 3 है, 4 and 4 position पे 5 है. Okay, you have enter 1 2 3. Here also on command window also you can see the output. The 1 2 3 4 5, this is your input sequence. Then DFT of that sequence is, this is the DFT of that sequence. Okay, if you see here, imaginary numbers are also there, 0 0, they have taken imaginary number also. Okay, so this is the first element, this is the second, total 4 elements are there. Okay, so this is the DFT. Okay, so and in a figure also you can check. So this is the figure, IDFT sequence, phase response, then magnitude response, and then input sequence. Okay, so all this, how you can calculate the DFT and how you can plot the waveforms or sequence, that is also there. Okay, so for plotting purpose, instead of stem you can use plot also, plot command also here you can use. Okay, so this is all about this program. Okay, I am copy pasting the same program in your chat box also. So what you can do, in a Word file you can save it if you are not having MATLAB. So you can save in a Word file and you can main Telegram. Yeah. Okay. So see here, the program is there. You can copy paste this program in a Word file and keep it with you.
Hello, sir.
Ah,
So the code that you pasted is not completely pasted. So can you paste? Can you create or upload a file Word document or like a Notepad or TXT file? And can you upload
okay,
that into your classroom?
okay. Why it is completely not pasted?
I guess you can only send few characters. They have limit.
Okay, yeah. Oh, ठीक है. So I will upload the Word file with this code. Okay, already with me. So I will upload the Word file also. No issue. This is a write-up. Okay, so just formula is there and some steps is there. Input sequence, then DFT formula, then IDFT find out, and plot DFT and IDFT. Display the output. Okay, this is the flowchart. Same thing is there. Start, enter the sequence, then perform the DFT. Okay, plot the waveform and stop. Here, after this, you can write the MATLAB code. Okay, I will do it. Okay, no issue. I will upload it.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
I will create and upload it. Okay. Is there any doubt in this? Have you understood something?
Yes, sir. No doubts.
You can take this as a basic introduction of MATLAB. Okay. So all the things are there. You can plot the sine wave, cosine wave, For the signal and system, you might be done this or not. I don't know, because signal and system, I think there was no lab. Okay, only tutorial session was there. अगर लैब रहता उसमें तो उसमें हाउ टू प्लॉट द साइन वेव, हाउ टू प्लॉट द कॉस वेव, देन हाउ टू प्लॉट द रैम सिग्नल, यूनिट स्टेप सिग्नल, all these things you can do on MATLAB. Okay, or Scilab also. So basic things are there in uh, just let me check the in Scilab, that convolution or that FFT or filtering part is there or not, toolboxes. Okay, if it is not there, I will take on the Python. Okay, probably on
Okay,
Python we
sir.
can. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So thank you all of you
Thank
for
you,
your
sir.
attendance. Okay, thank you very much.